Hey guys, today I'm going to take you through how we update FL Studio. So first of all, what we're going to do is close it down. We're going to go to the website. We've got to download the new version. I've already downloaded it to make things a little bit quicker, because otherwise it's going to take for ages. So what we're going to do is we're going to yes this installer. We're going to click the next button. We're going to read the entire terms and conditions and basically give our Salter image line. We click agree. We install for all users. Why not? Because I am all users on my computer. So I'm just going to check. There we go. All of this stuff here. I click yes. The program files. Yes. Next. There we go. We're just going to put that on there. Choose the 32-bit VST plugin installation. What we're going to do is we're going to put this in the going to be putting that in our D drive, because my computer is a gigantic mess at the moment. Just going to close the C drive down a little bit. There we go. Data D. Make new folder, and we are going to go for FL VSTs. Okay. Go and go, and there we go. Okay. So, should be pretty simple. And what's happening now is the program's just reinstalling it. It's pretty simple. It just takes a little while, that's all. So we're going to skip through this. There we go. So what we've got to do now is we've got to go into our email section, etc. First of all, just going to complete the setup, and we're going to load FL Studio. It needs to be unlocked, so what we're going to do is we're going to unlock it, and there we go. And it is that simple.